Here I present an easy-to-use PDF sigil analysis agent. The purpose of this agent is to easily assist and facilitate with identifying, logging, and categorizing different symbols from PDF files and other data sources. A quick scan of the file and the AI agent will attempt to categorize and index every sigil viewable. Quality of the data source is important. The higher quality the source, the better chance of finding matches on sigils and symbols when queried. After a complete scan, we can view the data manually in the Data Query tab. This can help identify and search relevant information. The Sigil Search tab is the main purpose behind this program. It allows the user to manually draw sigils or symbols, and it graphically compares them to the database files. These matches can then be analyzed by the AI agent to acquire more information about them, or to discover other links and connections between other sources and similar sigils. This tool is free to use and will be developed more to only increase its use case. Let me know any features I should add. Check back for more useful open source tools every day.